Here at StockCharts, we pride ourselves on our timely, friendly, and reliable customer service. In this video, we'll show you how to get answers to your questions. If you have a question for us to answer, start by checking our online support center by clicking the Help button, which is in the right-hand corner of most StockChart pages. Here, you'll find helpful articles about all the different tools and services we offer on our site. To find the relevant topic for your question, you can use the navigation menu on the left-hand side or the search feature in the upper right-hand corner. The search feature also has an AI component. This will allow you to ask a question and receive an answer very quickly. To use this, type in your question and click the Ask button directly beneath the search box. If you're looking for information on learning technical analysis, ChartSchool is a place for you. ChartSchool is where you can learn everything about investing and financial chart analysis. It's an amazing educational resource for investors of all levels, and it's completely free on StockCharts.com. You can access ChartSchool by clicking on the ChartSchool tab at the top of most pages. Like in the Support Center, you can find a navigational menu on the left-hand side, as well as a search feature in the right-hand corner. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments while using our site and aren't sure how to address them through our other tools, you can also send us a message. Our dedicated support team works hard to assist users promptly through email communication. You can reach us online using our support request form, which you can find in our Support Center. You can also access this form from the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner of most pages of our site. Or email us directly at support@stockcharts.com. We hope that all these resources make your experience using StockCharts.com an easy and informative one.